This technology is given to us. Do you know why? To test us. Are you going to get closer to Allah, or are you going to be distracted? Distracted. There is something called TikTok. Have you heard of it? Do you know why they call it TikTok? Let me tell you. Time. What does time do? The second hand, have you seen it? It moves. And you are just flicking. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Before you know it, your salah is gone. Your another salah is gone. Your day is gone. Your night is gone. The next day is gone. Your week is gone. Your friends are gone. Your iman is gone. Everything is gone. Your life will also go. And you wasted it on what? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I am here.